Hello guys, you are watching Droid Content. I am Lokesh Kapoor, and in this video we are going to review Relaythat. That is an awesome design application, and you and me together will review Relaythat. And let's take a look how with Relaythat we can create some awesome designs for any kind of company or whatever the category may be. So I have opened up my Relaythat account, and here I have workspace presets that I can use for my designs. So here a bunch of categories like wellness, healthcare, construction, restaurant, agency, packers, movers, investing, florist, legal, and many are there. So suppose I have a real estate, so click on it. On workspace will be creating. Let's wait for it. So here's the workspace. As you can see, suppose my ad is for YouTube, like a thumbnail. I will just click on it, and here I will find a bunch of different YouTube thumbnails that I can use instantly by just click on it and change the content of it, right? I can also change the brand colors, okay, from here. So this will apply to the whole of my designs globally, right? I can choose the stock images by clicking on the image itself. Okay, let's get back to the layouts and ads. Here are some ads for the real estate. You can also choose different kinds of ads. For social media, you can choose different kind of social media designs, like an IGTV cover image, or maybe a Facebook cover. So all is there. You just have to click on it and change the content of it, right? So it's that easy. So let me show you how you can create one for your thing. Let's switch to investing. Go to square post, and maybe it's going from the old one. So all you have to do is just change the content of it, that investment consultancy starting 199, right? So that's how you can do it. You can change it. Here you can just switch to the different ad presets right from here, and you can change the content from here as well. Either you click on it or change, and you just click on it, right? You can also resize this content. If you have used Canva earlier, it's very easy for you. So it's just like uh, any other online visual builder design application, but the extra thing that gives you is that you all have to click on any other design, I mean resolution, just quickly changes it to that. So it's very easy, and it's helpful for the businesses who run Google ads. So you get a bunch of ads like that with the content that you choose. You can also change the font sizing or the font itself. The logo you can just change from here, the text from here, button styling you can change from here. Okay, when you are ready, when you are done with it, just click on download or save the design, and you are ready to go. or ready to publish. Here are some ideas that you can use for the text, like live events. Just click on it, it will be changed to this, right? You can change the uh, text within the brackets so as to make it more, customizable to your thing. So that's how it works. It's just a very amazing application that you might be using. You all have to just choose a category you want to make ads for, and then choose a template, and then just change the content, and you are ready to make full-fledged, Google ads or creatives for your social media or search engine. So that's how it works. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to go with that, just check out the description of this video, and you will get certainly a nice discount. So just check out the description, and if you have any questions you can ask in comments. Till then, bye bye and have a great day.